My journey as an entrepreneur in Nevada has been absolutely incredible. It's such a business-friendly state. For us to get up and running and start hiring employees, start building product and bringing it to markets and customers was as easy as we could have ever dreamed. My name is Mike Johnson, CEO, co-founder of Onboarded. We've been in business a little over 3.5 years. We solve a fundamental compliance problem that exists when businesses just want to hire great people. There's a lot of things that have to happen to do it in a really compliant way. The regulations that government puts on businesses makes it really challenging. Onboarded makes it go away. The biggest barrier in starting my business here was really just a perception issue, where when you're a software company, typically people expect you to start that in the Bay Area or in Austin or in New York City. The reality is Nevada is an incredible place to start a software company. So getting over that kind of perception made it easier and easier for us to raise money, to bring on new customers and hire great people. We're experienced entrepreneurs, so we knew that at the end of the day, it's solving business problems when you're starting a company. So that perception we were able to get over internally as founders. And then as we started to get out there and talk to people, the reality is everything's changed with AI and what's going on with artificial intelligence and the fact that people are working more and more remote and more open to moving. It made it easier for Onboarded to get over that relatively quickly. Nevada's business ecosystem really supported our growth about 1.5 years ago when we first got exposed to some of the venture capitalists that were out of Reno, which we did not know existed. But once we did, it was kind of a moonshot. We started to get exposed to more and more businesses that are locally owned. And then eventually, as we raised our Series A here in Nevada, we were able to have EDON and the state of Nevada support us with investment. So while there were a lot of investors around the country that took part in that investment, Nevada took part in it as well. So it was pretty cool to see. What I would tell somebody who's considering launching a business here in Nevada, particularly in the technology space, is Nevada offers an incredible balance between business friendliness and proximity to incredible talent. Nevada, particularly here in Northern Nevada, Lake Tahoe, is an incredible place to live. People want to come here, people want to work here. There is a really great tech scene that is growing. People do invest in companies here, and Onboarded is an example of that. One thing Nevada does really well for entrepreneurs is make it easier just to start the company. The amount of stuff that typically goes into just getting started makes it insurmountable for folks that get started because it is so intimidating. But Nevada was really just a glide path for us to get started. And once we got started, we were able to focus on what's important, which is building a great product, providing a great service, solving customer problems, and growing the business. My favorite part about being in business here in Nevada is the work and life balance. It's absolutely a beautiful place to live. And that coupled with its, again, proximity to really great talent that we can pull up here to hire and continue to develop the business.